You ever wondered how many times you can torque the bolts? Yeah. Me too.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Let's switch it up. Go for this.
Oh. You ever put your engine back together? You're like, dude, I don't want to buy new crank bolts. Neither would I. So here's what we're gonna do. We have two kind of bolts here. We have long and less long.
Long. Can't see that at all.
Okay, long go in the middle, and a little long. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna put them till they're snug. And there's probably an order, but we're gonna make our own.
Get the thugs.
Now, show them the screen, dude. They can't read minds. They're not freaking whatever her name was. So we gotta let it zero out. All right, sweet. Now we're gonna want to set it. We need 50, or it's like 48. You know, no, we gotta keep. We're serious people here. People really want to know.
Yeah.
Serious, Jesus. Now we got the 48, and what we gonna do now? We're gonna snipe the ops. And where'd my thing go?
Oh, crap.
All right, so now we're gonna do all the main ones here. The main ones are supposed to be 48 foot-pound, and then we're gonna do 90 degrees. Oh. That's cool.
I thought you said we were serious.
We're very serious here.
Okay, now you gotta get all the way out to here.
Well, no, we gotta. Well, it's a second pass, Alex.
Okay.
Jeez Louise. Dude, that's so funny, no? I just realized doing this video, it's gonna be a lot of physical work.
Oh man.
Oh, we never. How many times do you think we can do this? We can say it.
Oh, our hypothesis.
Yeah, what's our hypothesis?
Dude. I think
3.
4.
Okay.
You gonna play higher or lower?
Yeah.
Alright, I think higher than 5.
I think lower than 5.
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry.
Oh, my bleep.
Okay, these are really not tight. All right, now we're at 90 degrees, and this gonna be crazy. This gonna be crazy, y'all. Things might blow up.
Yeah.
We do have an adapter, so things could get tragic, but that's okay. Oh, hurt my freaking toe.
You're freaking hurt your ankle.
It survived.
Yeah.
I used to cop a lot, but never cop no drop. Hold mics like ponytails tight and bobble ops. Stop, stick around, come through and dig the sound of the fly brown 6060 psycho who throws a dick around. Bound to go 3 plat, came to destroy rap. It's an intricate plot of a b-boy strap. Fem stack cats get kidnapped. Then release a statement to the.
You know, I'm kind of surprised nothing's broken yet.
We're on 1.
I already forgot which ones I did.
It's a highly professional environment.
Did that one, did this one, and that one, and I think it's just this.
I could have swore you just did that one.
Well, then we're just getting an extra turn.
Okay.
I just forget what.
Yeah.
You know what? There we go.
Close enough.
Well, that's just the inside, and then now it's another 90 degrees on the outside. And we'll just do these. Well, survived the first one, so that means if you want to reuse them, nothing's stopping you, except don't do that.
But
you think about it like
But it
this.
worked.
Do you want to go back in your engine and replace these? Probably not. So we're gonna bust these loose now. Let's take a look at a couple of them. Let's take this one out. What's it look like? We gotta show them. There we go. How's that look? Do you see anything weird?
That was, I can't, I'm blind.
Note. I see zero stretching on this John. There ain't nothing. We'll
There
take a
ain't
little one. A little stretching, but I don't know. I got faith, dude. You know, if we get 5 and you win, we're gonna take my big M18. I think we're gonna drill it till they snap. Like, can we snap these? Come on, snap. I think the little ones will snap first. What do you think?
I would figure.
Well, it didn't break. Let's check it again.
I choose this one.
This one. Definitely got a little fatter, but I mean, nothing's protruding. If you've seen a stretch bolt, it's pretty easy. Yeah. I don't see much. Let's check a little one. No, nothing much. Anyhow. Alright, time to crack them on.
You know, we could have just done one over and over again. Because then,
No.
well, no, because it would still get you the same result.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna do that. After this time. We're committed.
Okay.
Because that's ridiculous. After 3 times. Like, god damn. You know?
Japers, crapers. You know, you could even do like 2 and just pick a big one and a little one.
That's probably what I do. I'd probably do the middle 4.
Mm.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do start now.
You're gonna love living after this one.
Well, it survived the 3rd time. God damn. What does that mean? Does that mean you win?
No, I said above 5. You know?
Oh, okay. How are we looking?
Golden.
Ooh, we're getting a little more. Things are starting to happen a little bit, but not much. Ooh, yeah. You know, I don't know. I think it's gonna be close.
This is good. This is good for competition.
It could maybe. I think he could maybe take another, but I don't know. Because you said above 5. Does that mean 5 and above or above 5? Like if it hits 5, who wins?
Well, you know, we're playing high or lower. So I feel like 5 is pretty much a draw at that point.
5 is a draw. It might be 5. I'm honest.
If it hits 6, we just gotta start ripping on them.
Absolutely. Yeah.
I think if it hits 6, we should just see how many foot-pounds it can take.
I'm down. See how much angle can it take? Okay. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Every time.
Another successful round.
So I've lost no matter what. It's either tire.
Get one. See what they look like. Yeah, same thing.
Pretty much the same. So what is this, 5?
This is round 5, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, here comes the 90.
Here comes the 90.
Oh yeah.
Keep yourself safe. What do you mean you break? What do you mean? Whatever. Okay, so whatever. You can probably do infinity, swear to God. So now we're just gonna go to the moon. We're gonna go to 180 degrees plus. Yes, we're already at. Oh no, we'll do 90 because we already did 90, and that'll be 180. And we'll just double it. We'll just keep doubling.
Keep doubling.
Keep doubling.
All right, this is 180. All right. Is the next one 360 now?
Yeah, now it's just adding 180.
Yeah.
So our total is 360.
Up to 360.
Dude,
They made it.
it. Come on. Yeah, the out one's gonna break first.
Okay.
Whatever.
720 time. Turn that up to 360.
Hit that 360.
That'd be fire.
We're just gonna do 360 till we're done. My arm's tired. Where's my biceps? Gosh.
Let's switch it up. Go from this side. Oh,
Ooh! Snapped.
clean off. I was right behind you too. That's great.
It's Righty Lucy. So it was 360 plus 256. That's what it took to snap this, and 50 foot-pound 5 times.
5 times.
So that's what it takes to snap one of those.
Let's try this one. You know, we got.
All right, let's
Gotta
see.
get a good shot on
So
it.
it's already at 360 plus
Yeah.
20 foot-pound. Oh,
Right there.
right off.
Smooth off.
42 degrees.
Okay, not much.
All right, this is editing Levi here. Just wanted to show you guys because I didn't in the video, but this is how our bolts snapped here. It actually had nothing to do with the head, and it basically just pooped itself on the threads there. And that's what they all look like. None of the actual head bolt or the head of the bolt snapped. So figured that was interesting and show you guys.
Now we
More
know.
of the story is, do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. You're probably fine. These are indestructible. So now we're gonna do rod cap bolts. You know, people they're always asking me, "Wow, can you reuse them?" We're gonna find out.
Good forearm shot there.
You got my forearm? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ladies, I'm single. Kidding. Don't talk to me. I'm scared of me. Oh, we were on this. That's why.
Down.
Alright, 20 pound. Alright. Damon.
Plus the 90.
Oh, we need a hypothesis. How long do we think? How many times?
12.
I think 3.
3 was not close last time.
These are tiny bits.
It's true. Well, that's small. But I
Are
think
you locking in 12?
no. Hold on. Let me think about this because the last ones lasted. They probably could have gone around like a lot more times. You know, we put a lot of torque on that.
Yeah.
I think like 8 is pretty doable.
Probably. That was 1. Yeah, we'll get into 20. That's 20.
That's 20. Yeah. Right there.
We just skip that nonsense.
Oh.
Head bolts would be so fun. Those are in stages. I don't think that those are torque ones though, if I'm honest. Ow! Here's what I think.
Just start cranking on that. See what happens.
I just combined it into 15 million. Alright, you know what? We're just gonna see how long it takes. Dude! Everybody's saying, you know, replace these, but I'm starting to think otherwise, if I'm real honest. Alright, 360. Now this is on top of the 90, so this will let us know how much more it can take. and a guesstimate.
How much is 360 plus 90?
Comment below.
Math
once.
exam.
Type 1 chat. No. I think it's gonna snap. We're almost at 180. Jeez. Years. I think it's gonna snap right now.
Nope.
We're 300.
Well, clearly it's got a 360 in it.
Okay. Plus the 90. You know, we're just gonna do the one.
Yeah.
Alright.
Another loop around.
So 360 plus 90 plus. Already on.
Oh. I think it's holding up better than the other one.
250. Come on, all at once so I can feel it. 311.
Nope.
What's that? 327. Nope. There, 327 plus 360.
It's at 653 both times.
Whatever.
Smooth off.
Smooth off. Now we know. Basically indestructible. Let's do the heads. Go here, cameraman.
They're rolling up. Okay, I'll pull up. Nah, the bit's over. Off the stool.
We are gonna send these things to the freaking moon. We'll do our Loudy torque specking. Check our torque specs. For 30 foot-pound, 40 foot-pound, 90. We're gonna torque. All right, so here's what I think we're gonna do. Jesus. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 40 all around, or it's like 30, and 40, and then 90, and then another 90. And once we do that, we're gonna pick 2 bolts if it survives. Ooh. Oh, so this one.
Let me all right. That was so cool. They're gonna love that one.
I don't think these are gonna last the first one.
No, I got it.
You see all those videos?
Yeah, these are German bolts, right? Very reliable.
Yeah. Right. Why does it jump from 30 to 40 foot-pound? Do we just hate living? Okay, sorry.
Just start hammering away on this guy.
90 degree. This one's gonna snap right away. That felt good.
No.
All right, so now we got one more 90 degree, and this is the torque that Audi says. I think this one's almost definitely gonna snap. So get ready. Never mind.
Whew. Got him.
If that one did, I don't know what will. Whatever. Dude, we don't even need a hypothesis. All right, let's pull one out. don't think we're getting them out.
Most of them are pretty hard to get out. I don't know why.
Yeah, I don't think we're getting them out, but they survived. Let's see if I can just strip this one in. Nice. All right, let's break this one loose. All right, let's take her home. Dude, are we really gonna have to see how long it takes to snap one?
I think just do the middle two, honestly.
That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, first 90. Alright, second 90. How many 90s does it take? Is that what we just want to find out?
Dude's cranking them.
Well, there was another torque and it didn't do it. That's the third time we've... Plus the first original time this was put in 2008. Dude.
Exactly.
Can we just send it to the moon?
Yeah, just get.
Alright,
do
let's send it to the moon.
Same thing a third time.
Jesus. See how many 90s it takes. I'll just do one more. So that was 90, 90, 90. Somebody do the math. It's gonna be 360. 360.
Oh.
We found it. That's way faster than before. It cracked in there, so that's fantastic. So, if you're wondering whether you should do this or not, I don't know. Do what you will with this information.
Video results inconclusive.
You know what? Figure out what you want to do. We are not liable for any engines you snap.
Findings,
Yeah.
they can go more than expected.
I'm gonna be honest, I'm surprised. You know, everybody see those videos, they're like, Japanese, they're just blowing up. They're like, oh my god. But you know what? Freaking done. Germans are too good. I've had enough. So, take that. Take that.
Bro, you can't do that.
Almost get in the middle. End video. End video.
Alright, let me straighten out.
I'm gonna get in your hood and don't even tempt.
Don't even tempt me.
Don't even tempt me. No, don't you go anywhere.
I'm not freaking
granny
going.
shipping, bud.
I'm not
No.
doing that ever.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, end video. My eyes are YouTube's eyes. They see exactly what I see all the day.